One of the things that I'm hoping that women will get out of this course, and actually out of all of the courses that we will offer through Lifeway Women Academy, is confidence. I want you to have the confidence to step into the space that is before you to teach someone else about what we believe as Christians. And I know that confidence is something that we don't all have when we step into those spaces. We don't ever want to be silent when we could have spoken or when we should have spoken. And this will give you an opportunity to be able to know that you can enter into a conversation with someone else about your faith. Studying theology is a reinforcement for our own beliefs. It'll challenge things that we might not have thought to challenge before, and then it will reinforce things that we need reinforcement, maybe because the way our life is playing out is telling us that something is not true. It'll play it back into a context of, hey, you know what? Actually, for 2,000 years, people have borne witness to the fact that this is true. So I think that there is a confidence builder that is inherent in these courses because they are going to shore up where you need shoring up in your understanding, and they're going to reinforce where you have perhaps grown a little weak in your understanding, and they're going to repeat things that we needed to hear again. So that's my hope. All of us is called to transmit our faith from one generation to the next, and I'm praying that this will be a course that helps you to do that.